In the fast-paced rhythm of everyday life, where demands hit you the moment your eyes open, maintaining steady energy can seem like an impossible dream. But what if you could harness a quick, evidence-based routine to change that? Drawing from Harvard Health's insights on small habits and broader research on vitality, the Harvard researchers' 5-minute morning routine for all-day energy offers a streamlined approach to starting your day with purpose. This protocol isn't about drastic overhauls. It's a compact series of actions that align with your body's natural awakening processes, optimizing hormones, circulation, and mindset for hours of sustained performance. Inspired by studies from institutions like Harvard, it addresses key energy thieves: dehydration from sleep, stiffness from immobility, stress from unchecked cortisol, and lack of direction from scattered thoughts. By integrating hydration, movement, breathwork, and intention setting, it aims to elevate your cortisol awakening response appropriately, enhance cellular energy production via better mitochondrial function, and engage neural networks for focused resilience. Whether you're navigating high-stakes meetings, family chaos, or personal goals, this routine provides an accessible boost, backed by research showing up to 25% improvements in daily vitality. At its core, this routine capitalizes on the critical golden hour after waking, a period when your body's neuroendocrine systems are most receptive to influence. Harvard-affiliated experts, including those contributing to Harvard Business Review, stress that intentional morning actions can foster neuroplasticity, essentially rewiring your brain to link early hours with efficiency and positivity. Imagine transforming that initial grogginess into a launchpad for the day, not through force, but through gentle, targeted steps that signal readiness to your physiology. The routine kicks off with hydration to counteract overnight fluid loss, follows with movement to stimulate blood flow, incorporates breathing to balance autonomic responses, and ends with mental priming to channel energy effectively. This sequence isn't arbitrary. It's designed to build cumulatively, where each phase enhances the next, creating a compounding effect on your overall energy reserves. Delving into the first step, hydration in the opening minute, this is more than a quick drink. It's a strategic rehydration to restore balance. Reach for 16 to 20 ounces of filtered water, perhaps enhanced with a pinch of sea salt for electrolyte replenishment or lemon for a vitamin C kick. The rationale? Sleep dehydrates you by about 1 to 2% body weight, impairing cognitive sharpness and metabolic rate from the get-go. Studies in nutritional neuroscience confirm that 500 milliliters of morning water can heighten alertness and clarity, supporting ATP production in cells, the very fuel for your activities. At a deeper level, this activates osmoreceptors, optimizing fluid balance for better nutrient delivery and toxin removal. Harvard Health echoes this, noting dehydration's role in fatigue, making this step a non-negotiable for anyone seeking consistent energy without relying on caffeine crutches. Building on that foundation, the second phase, 2 minutes of mindful movement, shifts focus to physical activation. Opt for simple, equipment-free exercises: arm circles to loosen shoulders, leg swings for hip mobility, spinal twists to release tension, or bodyweight squats to engage your core and legs. This isn't intense, it's about gentle mobilization to counteract the stiffness from hours of rest. By increasing circulation, you flood tissues with oxygen and glucose, while lymphatic drainage clears metabolic waste. A 2021 study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that just 2 minutes of such activity can slash daily fatigue by 20% and improve vascular health. Harvard Health's 5-minute fixes align here, suggesting marches in place or leg lifts to build strength subtly, emphasizing how these bursts prevent sedentary-induced energy dips. Hook, feeling that post-sleep creak in your joints? This phase oils them up, turning potential sluggishness into smooth, ready motion. Transitioning to the third element, 1 minute of focused breathwork provides a mental anchor. Employ diaphragmatic or box breathing. Inhale deeply for 4 counts through your nose. Hold for 4, exhale slowly for 4, and pause for 4, cycling 6 to 8 times. This technique, lauded in Harvard's stress resources, stimulates the vagus nerve, shifting from fight or flight to rest and digest mode. It reduces cortisol spikes that could otherwise lead to midday crashes, while boosting heart rate variability, a marker of resilience. The Journal of Behavioral Medicine reports a 15% improvement in emotional regulation from similar practices, directly tying to sustained focus. In a notification-heavy world, this pause creates clarity, preventing the mental fog that drains energy. Harvard Health includes meditation in its quick fixes, noting its power to lower blood pressure and ease pain, all contributing to a calmer, more energized state. Capping the routine, the fourth phase, 1 minute of intention setting, turns inward for psychological priming. Mentally review 1 to 3 priorities, visualizing success with vivid detail, or recite affirmations like, "I am focused and resilient." This engages the reticular activating system, RAS, filtering information to align with your goals, as per personality psychology research showing 30% gains in self-efficacy. Harvard links studies on happiness, like those from Arthur Brooks, underscore how such practices foster purpose, extending energy through motivation. It's the glue that binds the physical to the mental, ensuring your boosted vitality has direction. The science underpinning this routine is robust, rooted in how mornings influence daily biology. The cortisol awakening response, CAR, peaks then, and modulating it via these steps, per Frontiers in Neuroscience, can raise metabolic rate by 7% without overload. Hydration supports mitochondrial efficiency, movement aids endorphin release, breath work enhances vagal tone, and intentions promote neuroplasticity. Long-term, adherents see 40% fewer afternoon slumps and 25% higher perceived energy, as aggregated from health journals. Harvard Health's fixes like incorporating movement into routines or brief meditation mirror this, proving micro-interventions yield macro benefits. Benefits extend beyond energy. Improved mood from endorphins, sharper cognition from better oxygenation, and emotional stability from stress reduction. Physically, it combats aging-related fatigue. Mentally, it curbs overwhelm. Emotionally, it builds optimism. Real-world examples abound. Take a marketing exec who swapped coffee dependence for this and gained sustained focus, or a parent who found more patience amid chaos. Companies adopting similar protocols report 20% productivity jumps, per Harvard Business Review. Personalization ensures longevity. Add light exposure post-routine for circadian boost or gratitude in intentions for extra uplift. Track via journaling to refine. Note energy on a 1 to 10 scale. Common pitfalls? Skipping under pressure or screen checking first, which undoes benefits. Instead, prep water bedside and commit for 2 weeks. Expanding on Arthur Brooks's insights, while his routine is longer, elements like early activity and metaphysical practice align, showing how mornings built happiness through biology. He wakes at 4:30 a.m. for gym time, delaying coffee to avoid slumps, ideas you can layer on through advanced users. Critics question if 5 minutes suffices, but Harvard's emphasis on compounding habits counters that. It's about quality over quantity. For variations, athletes intensify movement. Desk workers emphasize breath. Seasonal tweaks like winter light therapy enhance efficacy per circadian studies. In essence, this routine distills decades of research into actionable vitality. Commit and watch your days transform. More energy, purpose, and joy. You've got this. Start small, stay consistent, and reclaim your peak potential.